Achieving a state of independence and control over one's financial situation can be a goal for many individuals. It involves careful planning, saving, and investing to build personal wealth and security. This can allow individuals to pursue their goals and dreams without worrying about money or being held back by financial constraints. Financial freedom is what many people try to achieve. But because of the constant savings and sacrifice people make, this begs the question, is financial freedom worth it? What is financial freedom? Is it worth chasing for? Financial freedom is an attainment in life when you are not bound to the burden of finances. When you don't have to worry about waking up to work at 7 a.m. and coming back home at 6 p.m., drained, exhausted, and hungry, only to do it all over again the following day. So to get out of the rat race, people want to achieve financial freedom now more than ever. Here are some reasons why having financial freedom is great. Ability to pursue your goals and dreams. Financial freedom allows you to focus on what you want to do in life, rather than being held back by financial constraints. This can include starting your own business, traveling the world, or simply being able to retire comfortably. When you have financial freedom, you have the resources to pursue your passions and make your dreams a reality. Reduced stress and worry. Money is often a major source of stress and worries for many people. When you have financial freedom, you don't have to worry about making ends meet or paying for unexpected expenses.